The topic of an aviation incident, particularly one involving a Boeing 737 MAX crash, carries immense gravity. Such events reshape industries, impact lives, and necessitate careful, factual reporting. A documentary script aiming to capture these moments demands absolute precision and sensitivity, drawing solely from verified and authenticated information. Our intent is always to convey truth responsibly, grounding every detail in evidence to ensure the narrative is both compelling and accurate for viewers worldwide. In preparing to craft a narrative about specific moments from a Boeing 737 MAX crash, the foundation of our work rests entirely upon the provided research facts. However, in this instance, the crucial factual input outlining those specific details has not been supplied. This absence presents a significant challenge, as a documentary's integrity is intrinsically tied to its reliance on verifiable data, not conjecture or imagination. Without specific, sourced information, we cannot proceed with the factual recounting required to build an authentic story arc. As a scriptwriter, especially in an AI capacity, the responsibility to adhere strictly to provided information is paramount. Fabricating details about a sensitive event like an aircraft crash would be not only unethical but also potentially harmful, leading to misinformation and disrespect for those affected. Our role is to process and present existing facts in a compelling narrative, not to invent them. This principle guides every aspect of script creation, particularly when dealing with topics of such serious consequence and profound human impact, ensuring trust and accuracy. Were specific facts regarding the crash available, such as flight data recorder excerpts, air traffic control transcripts, witness accounts, or investigative findings, the script would then meticulously weave these elements together. We would illustrate the sequence of events, from the initial flight profile, to specific cockpit alerts, the pilot's actions, and the unfolding crisis. Each moment would be grounded in evidence, ensuring the narrative remains compelling yet undeniably true to the recorded history of the event, offering clarity and understanding. Beyond the immediate moments of the incident, a comprehensive documentary would also contextualize the event. This involves exploring the aircraft's design, training protocols, regulatory oversight, and the subsequent investigations. Expert analysis of the contributing factors, potential corrective actions, and the broader implications for aviation safety would be interwoven. Our aim would be to provide viewers with a deeper understanding of the complexities involved, always with the foundational support of verified information to shed light on every aspect of the tragedy and its aftermath. While focusing on technical and procedural facts, a responsible documentary would also acknowledge the profound human impact. However, even this aspect must be approached with utmost sensitivity and based on facts, such as official statements from affected families, or insights from support groups, rather than speculative emotional depictions. Without specific, source details about these moments, we can only outline the intention to treat the subject with sullen respect, emphasizing the imperative of verified human perspectives to honor those whose lives were forever altered. Every aviation accident, however tragic, becomes a catalyst for learning and improvement. A documentary on such a topic would inevitably conclude by examining the changes implemented in response to the event. This might include software updates, design modifications, revised pilot training, and global regulatory reforms. The resolution of the story arc would highlight the industry's commitment to preventing recurrence, underscoring how hard-earned lessons from these incidents shape the future of air travel safety, always driven by factual analysis and a steadfast dedication to saving lives. In conclusion, while the subject of a Boeing 737 MAX crash is one that merits deep documentary exploration, our commitment to factual accuracy above all else prevents the creation of specific moments without explicit, provided data. The gravity of the topic demands we operate solely within the boundaries of verified information. This script, therefore, serves as an outline of the ethical framework and structural approach we would employ if the necessary research facts were made available to illuminate those critical moments with integrity and respect for the truth.